Presenting the all-new K15B petrol engine. This engine has been developed from the ground up for improved performance. It comes with an increased displacement, optimized compression ratio, modified camshaft profile, enhanced rigidity in powertrain, optimized piston profile for lower friction, and increase in power and torque. The K15B engine has increased displacement, increased power, improved fuel efficiency, better low-end torque. The K15B petrol engine is equipped with the revolutionary smart hybrid technology with a dual battery ISG. The integrated starter generator takes place of a conventional alternator. The ISG provides torque assist during acceleration, lowering the fuel consumption. The ISG also assists in brake energy regeneration during deceleration. It helps in restarting the engine after the engine auto stop. Apart from the standard lead battery, the smart hybrid system comes with an added lithium-ion battery. During deceleration, power generated by the ISG is stored in the lithium-ion and lead-acid batteries. This power is used whenever engine assist or engine auto start is needed. The revolutionary K15B engine is created to enhance your complete driving experience.